Equation and its types. What is equation? An equation is a form statement showing the equality between two variables. E.T. Dowling has defined the equation in the following words: a mathematical statement stating two algebraic expressions equals to each other is called an equation. For example, 2x squared minus 3 is equals to 9x minus 5, and y squared minus 5y is equals to 6 minus 4y. It is examples of equations. Types of equation. First is linear equation. What is linear equation? An equilibrium in which all variables raised to first power is known as linear equation. You can see, for example, a cross b is equals to 0, 15x minus 30 is equals to 0. So, a linear equation can be solved by moving the unknown variable to the left hand side of the equal sign and all other terms to the right hand side. Okay. What is quadratic equation? An equation in which a variable raised to power maximum to square is known as quadratic equation. A standard form is ax squared plus bx plus c is equals to 0, where a, b and c are constant and a is not equals to 0. Okay. What is simultaneous equation? A simultaneous equations are such equations in which specific values of variables to satisfy all equations to solve a system of two or more equations simultaneously. Okay. The equation must be consistent, they must be independent, there must be as many consistent and independent equations as variables. What is behavioral equation? A behavioral equation specifies the manner in which a variable behaves in response to change in other variables. This may involve either human behavior or non-human behavior. A behavioral equation can be used to describe the general institutional setting of a model, including the technological and legal aspects such as the two cost functions. C is equals to 75 plus 10q, C is equals to 110 plus q square, where q denotes the quantity of output, where k is equals to 0, then C is equals to 75 and C is equals to 110. Since the two equations have different forms, the production condition assumed in each is obviously different from the other. Okay. Now we discuss what is conditional equations. This type of equation has relevance only if our model involves the notion of equilibrium. If the equilibrium condition is an equation that describes the prerequisite for the attainment of equilibrium, such as quantity demanded is equals to quantity supplied is equals to and saving is equals to investment, which pertain respectively to the equilibrium of a market model and the equilibrium of a national income model. Similarly, an optimization model either tries or applies one or more optimization conditions. One such condition that comes easily to mind is the condition MC is equals to MR, where MC means marginal cost and MR means marginal revenue. Okay.